Well, hello and welcome. My name is JJ Kravitz, Vice President of FHK Insurance, and on behalf of our agency and your agent, we want to thank you for taking the time to watch this insurance review. For today, our goal is to go over your benefits for next year, review any changes, and hopefully provide some peace of mind. We are thrilled to share this with you, so let's get right into it. We are really excited about all the positive changes referenced in your annual notice letter that you recently received from Aetna. It always makes our job a bit easier when we get to provide some good news. Now, just a reminder, as an Aetna member, you have access to Aurora, Ascension, Freighter, ProHealth, and Aetna's nationwide network of health systems. Keep in mind, you have coverage for urgent and emergency visits worldwide. So if you are out of the area and not feeling well, just get yourself to the nearest facility and you will be covered. So let's dive into some copays for next year. For today, we're going to discuss Aetna's two most popular programs, and we will touch upon their brand new plan for 2024. But first, let's compare the value and the Premier plan. The value plan is staying at a zero premium, and those of you with the Premier plan, you will see the premium is dropping from $27 down to $19 a month. Nice to see a decrease. Your maximum out of pocket, small change, and on the value plan, your hospital copay is the same. On the Premier plan, your copay amount is the same amount as last year, but in 2024, it is going up per day, days 1 through 8. Next up, doctoring. Your in-network primary care physician and specialist copays remain exactly the same for next year. Your x-rays are a $20 copay on both plans, a nice decrease on the value plan for complex diagnostic testing, your MRIs, CT scans, PET scans. This was $275, but it's going down to a $200 copay for those services. Your lab services are staying at a zero copay, both preventive and diagnostic on both plans. So take a moment, review this chart before we proceed to the drug coverage. Now let's talk about your drug coverage. Some good news here. Your prescription drug deductible is dropping from $200 to $150. The caveat to that is that if you're taking brand name medications, it may apply to the deductible. Some good news on generic coverage. Aetna is now providing all Tier 1 and Tier 2 medications for a $0 copay. Pretty significant decrease. Please reach out to your agent if you are currently taking any brand name meds so we can verify how they will be covered in 2024. Now let's get to the extras. One of the most unique things about Aetna is its dental coverage. Unlike other carriers, Aetna allows you to see any dentist you want to see. Even if you work with an in-network dentist, Aetna covers 100% of the charges. New in 2024, if you go out of the network, Aetna will reimburse you directly 80%. If you have any bills from 2023, please reach out to our office so we can assist you in getting that reimbursed. So some good news. Your dental benefit is increasing on the value plan from $1,500 to $1,800 and staying the same at $2,000 on the Premier plan. On all Aetna's plans, you have silver sneakers included at no additional charge. Need any help locating a participating facility? Visit silversneakers.com or give us a call. Now, there are some really useful benefits like the home delivered meals and over-the-counter credit that hopefully you're taking advantage of. We are really excited to introduce the Aetna payment card. Aetna is adding a prepaid debit card to the value plan. This prepaid debit card can be used to pay doctor, hospital copays. Each quarter, Aetna is going to load $100 on your card. That's $400 a year that you can use towards medical expenses. How nice is that? So feel free to take a moment and review this slide. And if this doesn't move the needle, wait until you see what we have in store for you next. So after meeting with Aetna and reviewing all of their plans and benefits for next year, our agents are most excited to share this with you. In 2024, Aetna is adding a $600 fitness reimbursement to their value plan. This is in addition to the silver sneakers benefit. So not only is Aetna providing you with a complimentary gym membership, now they're going to reimburse you for fitness related activities and equipment. Just take a look at the list of these items. If you enjoy golf, you can get new golf clubs or even your tee time paid for. Do you have a gym that is not in your silver sneakers? You can use the $600 for that. Are you a runner, walker? How about some new shoes? Do you play pickleball? How about a new racket? From sports activities to hiking and nature, Aetna wants to encourage you to get out there and live a healthier lifestyle. Now, the only disappointing thing is that the benefit is not being offered on the Premier plan. This is exclusive to Aetna's Value and SmartFit plans, which I will mention next. We anticipate many of you with the Premier plan will want to convert over to the Value or SmartFit plans for next year. If interested, please talk to your agent or come to one of our meetings to learn more. So let's talk about the factors you may want to consider in regards to your Medicare plan. One of the most important things, has your health significantly changed since the last time you spoke to your agent? Do you have any upcoming surgeries, new hospital system? Are you taking any brand name medications that you'd like us to review? And then we ask, how is your experience with the plan? Any hiccups, any surprises? Just a reminder, your FHK agent works with every company, so if you've experienced issues, please make your agent aware. And if yes to any of these, the first step is to visit fhkinsurance.com/rx. It is a very simple form to fill out that will be sent directly to your agent to initiate a review. Now, before we bring the session to a close, we want to mention that Aetna has some new plans available in 2024. In reviewing these plans, we still feel that both the Value and the Premier are very suitable options for you. With that being said, for those of you with low medication costs who would like a little more on the fitness reimbursement, up to $1,200 and up to $2,600 of dental, Aetna's new Smart Fit plan may be a smarter fit for you. So if interested, talk to your agent or attend one of these 3 meetings that you see below, and hopefully see you there. Just a reminder, the annual enrollment period timeline starts October 15th and goes to December 7th. If you do nothing during this time, your plan will automatically renew, so there is no enrollment form we need to fill out or action required. As we asked in our letter, please stay vigilant against these unsolicited phone calls you receive and the bombardment of television ads. These call centers are out of state, some are out of the country, and they know very little of the plans and hospital systems here in Wisconsin. Please know your FHK agent is dedicated to making sure you are in the most suitable plan for the medications you take and the physicians you see year over year. Since we represent every major and local plan in your area, your agent would be happy to review the Medicare plans available to you. In closing, we hope that you found this video review helpful. Please keep in mind we have a large team of incredible staff backing up your agent, from claim support to customer service. We have you covered. From our family to yours, we wish you and your family a wonderful holiday season, Happy New Year, and thank you for allowing us to be your insurance resource. Stay well.